Hi there, I'm Adrienne Everheart, your dating and relationship coach, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to get exactly what you want from a man using law of attraction techniques. Now, if you really want to learn more about law of attraction and how you can apply this in your relationship, I have an amazing program I'll tell you about right at the end where you get just really an unlimited amount of information about how you can use law of attraction techniques to call forth the man you're meant to be with, or correct the relationship that you have right now currently, or even get your ex back. All right, so I'm going to talk a little bit about what you can do to absolutely use the law of attraction, which is really a way to think positively about what it is you do want and bring that into your reality. Now, I've been using law of attraction techniques way before The Secret. I was part of a wonderful little church called Unity, and Google search Charles and Myrtle Fillmore. They were the founders of Unity, and they actually were on the cusp of really the forward movement, the thinking involved in aligning your energy with your desires and getting what it is you want in life, be that wellness, a relationship, prosperity, whatever it may be. So this is something I feel very well versed in. I've done it a good bit myself, and now that I'm a dating and relationship coach for several years now, it just seemed natural to create a program where I applied all of these techniques. So I'm going to give you today really my top tool to how to get exactly what you want with a man and use law of attraction. So it's this simple. Listen up. You have to find what you do want and focus on what is working, which means you cannot focus on what is not working. I'm going to give you an example. He hasn't called you in 2 weeks, all right? Or he's late, or he doesn't call as often, or he's not coming to you wanting to ask you out as much, okay? So instead of thinking about, man, it's been 2 weeks and I haven't heard from him, he's never going to call me, we're never going to get back together, this is never going to work out, you see how negative that thinking is. And you're talking and spending a lot of your mental energy talking about what you don't want. So you're putting all that focus, all that energy into what you do not want. That is not going to help you. So instead, I want you to think about that same relationship with that man and what it sounded like to hear his ringtone on your phone, how excited you got when he would call you, how wonderful it would feel to have a man who loves and cares about you call you on the phone and hear his voice. What does that feel like? What does it feel like to talk to him on the phone? What does it feel like to see his text message pop up on your phone? What are the feelings you have in your body when that happens? So that's just one example of how you can focus on what it is you do want. Now, this man, they may never call you again. This same guy may never call. All right? Law of attraction is not against whatever the forces are in the universe for all people, but it gives you the absolute best chances of pulling towards a man that you will want to talk to, who is going to make you feel that way. All right? So nothing in this world is 100%. You know that. But you might as well start focusing on what does work and retrain that part of yourself to focus on what it is that feels good instead of focusing on what feels bad. Now, you can apply this to any situation. If you have a husband that isn't doing enough chores around the house, if you have a situation where a man is doing behavior that you don't like, if you get into an argument, you're going to focus and churn and chew, as I say, on that argument for days, or chew on what he said or did for days. And instead, I want you to start on purpose thinking about things that you love about that person, things that you like about that person, qualities that they have that make you really happy, and focus on how happy it makes you feel inside your body. Now, if you are really interested in learning more, I have a program called New Man Manifesto. So even if you're already with a partner and you're just having distance or trouble, New Man Manifesto will help you. And it will also help you if you don't have a partner and you know he's out there somewhere. It'll help you call him forth. So it's over at my website, which is everheartcoaching.com/courses. And New Man Manifesto is 18 plus hours of recorded material. I mean, it is an unlimited source of information, guides, ebook, and homework that guide you from where you are now to creating the ideal partner that you want. That is what I did. That is what I help my clients do. There were absolutely particular problems I had with my husband where he wasn't my husband yet, but I wanted to not have that with a partner. I wanted to have these other things. So I began to create the man I wanted to be with. And sure enough, when my husband came back around and asked me to marry him, he had become that person. So it's an amazing process how it really works when you just align your energy, align your thinking with what makes you feel good. All right, if my videos made you feel good, please give it a thumbs up and please be sure to subscribe so I can keep in touch with you. And head on over to my website, everheartcoaching.com/courses, if you want to learn more about the programs I have. Much love to you, beautiful, and have a great day.